cause my brother taught me how to taste the bag. Get right in the field, I had to make a pass. The day he lost it, so wish I could take it back. I just want tickets.
Hey y'all, what's good? What's poppin'? How y'all doing? So I did decide to do a voiceover for the rest of this video. I just didn't like how my intro was turning out. I was talking way too much. I don't know what was going on with my lash on the right side. It didn't look right. I did end up taking them off though at the end of this clip. But this is my hair about 2 weeks after I originally did it. I just had a lot going on when I first started doing my hair, so I didn't get a lot of footage. This is the hair that I decided to use. I really would recommend that you get the hair that already comes thinned out on the ends and like stretched, because it will save you a whole lot of time. This is the main product that I use, really the only product that I use to do these twists. I like this gel because it does not dry hard and it doesn't make my hair flake. So this is my hair in a blow dried state, straight out of a bun that I had in for about 2 weeks straight. My hair was very dry and dirty. It needed to be washed badly. I also recorded this clip to show you my hair color, since I did put a black rinse in my hair so I could do all black twists. So there are different methods when it comes to stretching out your braiding hair. What I like to do is start off with one side and just pull at different strands. Once you're finished, it should look something like this. And then you just want to get a paddle brush and brush out the other side. I really had a difficult time recording this for y'all. I literally couldn't see anything that I was doing. So just to repeat myself again, this is my hair like 2 weeks after I first started twisting, so it is a little frizzy. And I did start my twist off with a braid. That's just the way that I like to do it. If you don't like the way that looks, there are other tutorials on YouTube showing you different methods. Well, my hair is very soft, and that is another reason why I started my twist off with a braid. It just helped to secure it. The purpose of that clip is to prevent my hair from twisting at the root. Well, I didn't record this part, but once I get to the end of my twist, I just like to braid the end. And then when I finished my entire head, I just dipped all of my twists in some water that I boiled on top of the stove. I would have finished my hair all in one night, but I was getting really sleepy and I had somewhere to go the next morning. Really, all you want to do is get your hair in as small of a bun as you can, and then you want to cover it by either putting your braids or twists in a ponytail or a bun. That's really all for this video. Make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will be having more videos coming, so stay tuned for that. And that concludes this video.